Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam disk write error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Steam icon on your desktop and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the necessary permissions to make changes to your system files, which is essential for resolving disk write issues. Once Steam launches, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down list. This will open the Settings panel where you can access various Steam configurations. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads and updates. Now scroll down through the download settings until you find the option labeled Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Click on it. Clearing the cache removes potentially corrupted temporary files that might be causing the disk write error. Next, in the same left panel, click on Storage. This section shows you all the drives where Steam stores your games. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on it and select the local drive that has been corrupted. This is the drive where you've been experiencing the disk write error. After selecting the drive, click on the three dotted lines icon and then select Repair Library from the options. This process scans your Steam library on that drive and fixes any corrupted files or permissions issues. You may need to wait a moment while Steam repairs the library, so give it some time to complete this process. Now that the library repair is done, click on Library in the upper left corner of the Steam window. This will take you to your games library where all your installed games are listed. In the left panel, locate the game that's been giving you the disk write error. Right-click on that game and select Properties from the menu that appears. In the Properties window, you'll see a left panel with several options. Click on Installed Files. This section contains tools for managing the game's installation. Finally, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all the game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing. This verification process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient while it completes. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Steam disk write error by clearing the cache, repairing the library, and verifying your game files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.